Good morning from the garden in the woods in Arkansas. And believe it or not, I am able to grow asparagus here in Arkansas. You know, people here were surprised when they saw asparagus in this little spot. And it's been here every year since I've been here. That's been over 20 years now. So you can see these little, I guess these are the leaves of the asparagus, and they'll get little seeds on them. And I'll put those, I'll save those and plant them next year. And hopefully I'll have a lot more asparagus. I've already eaten a few stalks of this asparagus, and it was very good. Let's see if I can capture that bee. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, he took off. You can see these pretty little flowers that are popping up along this little fence I have, and you can see that I'll have a few more here in just a little bit, maybe in a few days. Once again, I'm out in the garden that's kind of far away from, not farther away from the house than the other small garden that I've shown off and on. Beautiful tree there, and some of my little sun gold cherry tomatoes growing right there. You can see there's a few coneflowers, euthanasia there. And I just wanted to show you that I've got a nice little marigold plant here that that I think helps keep snakes away. And so far I've only seen 2 snakes this year. I've been able to cut both of them free. And so these marigolds might help you keep snakes away from your, well, keep them, it might help you keep, how do I want to say this? These marigolds may keep you safe. I'm in that same section of the garden, and there's Cubby this morning. Anyway, just giving you a little brief tour. You can see this is a 2023 Better Boy. There's my aluminum foil, which will keep the grubs off my plant stalks. Actually, they can completely destroy a plant, those grubs. But this plant looks really good. It's got some little tomatoes on it. You can see I've used just a little piece of metal to stake them between this fencing and between this tomato cage. I do have some blueberries here actually they're just outside the garden, and this is a Tiff Blue blueberry, and you can see it's a juvenile, it's young, so it's got a ways to go. And then you can see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other plants here, and you can see they're right above that tree, so they don't get very many berries on them, but I don't mind because the foliage in the fall is really beautiful. Here's another blueberry bush, and there are 2 more blueberry bushes. They're kind of tall, and I definitely need to trim them this fall so that I'll get some production next year. I'm just going to show you a couple of varieties that I have right here in this part of the garden. And you can see right there, that is either a big boy from 2022 or it's a Rutger tomato. I have 2 different types of tomatoes in this particular grow bag. As you can see that I have them. I have the name. This is a Better Boy from 2021. You can see getting pretty good production on this plant. These are Roma tomatoes, and let's see if I can find them in here. There they are down in there. You can probably see those. So those are doing pretty well. These are garden peach tomatoes. You can see quite a few garden peaches there. And lastly, well, I guess I'll show you some more Romas. That was a pretty nice sized one. And there's some Romas in there too that are just about ready to pick. So anyway, hope you enjoyed my little trip in the garden. Got some lemon cucumbers coming on this plant. One there, one there, one there. And then I have another variety here. We can just hold off for another day on that one. You can see it's very prolific. So, okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless you, and thank you for tuning in to The Garden in the Woods.